Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7396L on a Lexus NX 350H, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market, with 5,000 pounds towing and 750 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To begin, remove the exhaust on both sides of vehicle, either by loosening the rubber exhaust bungs or by removing the 4 bolts, fastening the hangers to the frame to create space to install hitch. Locate the 2 mounting holes on each side of the vehicle frame. The holes may be covered by stickers that will need to be removed. Assemble the 4 supplied M12 bolts with 1 lock washer followed by 1 1/2-inch flat washer. With assistance, raise the hitch into the position. With the hitch in position, align the side plate holes with the mounting holes on the both sides of vehicle frame. Install the assembled M12 bolts and hand tighten. Once all hardware is installed, torque all M12 hardware to 70 foot-pounds. Reinstall exhaust onto anchors or reinstall the 4 bolts. The installation of your Lexus NX EcoHitch is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.